All right, step back. Just the ball. Good job.
Almost.
All right, no, you did it. You hit it. Go get the other ball.
The other one?
Try again. Don't hit the pole. Just hit the ball.
The ball?
Step back. You're too close. You're too close. Put it back up there. Well, put it back up there.
Okay.
Put it back up there. Now step back. Now hit it. Good job.
Look at this one.
You did it.
That was too big.
That was perfect.
That was the brown one.
The brown, oh, the football? No, you can't hit the football up there. You can go get your green one over there. Get your green one behind the tree.
Yeah. There was that here. I can sell flowers.
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to try to hit that one?
What's this?
I don't know. Put it down.
Is that for my toys?
Sure, put it down.
What is this for?
Put it down.
Can I bury it?
Put it. Thank you.
You
Put the ball up here.
Okay.
Nope.